Yeah, still here with KB. He's soon getting ready to head back, but we got this, oh, I should say he got this freaking other weather bureau run. I actually didn't even make an attempt at it. I just didn't have time. Typical S, very quiet. This one actually has the best charge of the bunch.
Very heavy.
Oh yeah, they are heavy. Things like 32 degrees. The whole entire row, they're all nice, wet and sweaty. So I'd say this one actually had a full charge of 12 in it. I think it's, yeah, I'm assuming it's 12. Yeah, CCI2F2. It looks like it says. Whatever the hell that means. I know some of you guys know what it means. I don't. The air coming out of it's roughly, I don't know, in the 50s, I guess. It does feel colder than that. That's freaking freezing. It's a little dirty, but I mean, other than that, it should be a quick slap together with some paint. It's got some rust on there, but it's really not all that bad, providing it's using the hotel room for its whole life. Still the data plate on that's gone.
Oh yeah.
It's not even a push to try to read that. It's freaking gone. Of course, the usual. For some reason, the ones in that hotel didn't hold. The caps didn't hold up. All three of them had bad caps. Now they've been sitting for years though, so I'm assuming that's probably why. Now, wow, look at that. They're actually soldered on. Now, Mike has the information on the regular specifications for these, so and they still make them. So we can literally get the original replacement for the original cap. That's condensate's building up now. It wasn't there a minute ago. So you can just literally get the replacement that'll still fit right in that housing there without modifications. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, the white one that I pulled out of that house in Persona there, that one actually still had the original cap yet and ran like that. And we were talking to some of the guys about the ventilation features yesterday too. Now this one here looks like it would actually have effective dampers as well. Whether or not it works, I don't really know.
One.
Oh, I don't want to hit that.
Where it works, the other one's really tight.
Yeah, it's tight. It needs lubed up. I don't want to mess with it too much just because we don't want to break the freaking linkage. But it's cool. It's kind of closing. I won't freaking close now. Actually, I don't remember what the data information under it looks like, because at least it's still there. Case in decent shape.
It's alright. Got a few spots that are a little thin.
Yeah, they all do.
I mean, really, it's the back that got it bad. Oh well.
Nothing a little sandblasting won't fix. Now you can just cut a piece of metal to and have it welded or adhered to it. Other than that, it's pretty relatively stable. You're only missing really one louver. Fix it up and paint it up, it'll probably be fine. You wouldn't even notice. I would sandblast it though.
That's the only way I gotta roll. Mint. That's how I roll.
It's the only way to roll. This one here?
New one.
No. No. So are you actually going to use it? Yeah.
I'll use it. Once I figure out the power of the damn thing.
You will. Because thanks again for watching. And I'm actually looking forward to seeing a lot of the other videos uploaded from yesterday's meet and talk about its success. It was awesome. Thanks again, Mike.